WBBM News Time 11:16. That's your new time for sports. And here's Dave Kerner.
And we start with Dylan Cease making his White Sox debut this afternoon against the Detroit Tigers and Daniel Norris. Cease, the latest called up from AAA. In fact, he's on the roster today under the rule of fielding a team of 26 players when you play a doubleheader. So Cease is up to pitch in game one. It'll be Ross Detweiler throwing for the White Sox in the second game. Well, the expectation is Cease will stay on the ball club, that he is, for the moment, in the White Sox starting rotation as they play the Tigers today. They were rained out yesterday at Guaranteed Rate Field. That game, by the way, has been made up, or will be made up, as part of a straight doubleheader September 27th. Cubs try to snag a win in Pittsburgh tonight. Yu Darvish on the mound against Chris Archer. The Pirates taking the first two of the series, including the 5-1 win last night that also featured a rain delay. And the Bulls announcing this today. Center Wendell Carter Jr. is going to undergo a procedure on July the 9th to repair a core muscle injury. The Bulls also say he will be ready for training camp. Sports now at 16 and 46 past each hour on your home of the Bears. Dave Kerner, News Radio 780 and 105.9 FM.
WBBM News Time 11:18. Traffic and weather together on the 8th. Sponsored by the Bourbon Auto Express Store. Here's Bo Duran.
A busy morning on the roads at